Thank you very much, Mrs. Vieira. Good afternoon and welcome to the graduation ceremony for the 2021 graduating class of Scholars Academy Middle School. The past 16 months have been incredibly challenging. With the continuously changing guidelines for health and safety, this event was far from a certainty. So before we begin, it is important that we take a moment to celebrate the fact that we are here today in person to celebrate this milestone for our graduates together. Let's have a round of applause. Beautiful weather, beautiful space. This is very, very exciting that we're able to come together and have this event. Last year we celebrated virtually. It was beautiful, but it was not the same. I'm so excited that we're able to bring the community together once again, and we would like to capture this historic moment that we're now back here showing our scholar strength with a photo opportunity. So I believe that if you look up, you should see our amazing media teacher, Spanish teacher, and photographer, Mr. Juan Carlos Racinos, who is on the roof. So if you can look up and give him a wave, Mr. Racinos is going to take a few aerial shots for us so we can capture this historic and momentous event. So please look up. This may take a couple minutes, but we appreciate your cooperation so we can capture this special event. And I'll have to take your direction as I can't quite see him. So he's moving this way, so give him a wave. Very good. You're a little too wide of a group to capture all at once, so yes, we need to capture a few shots. There he is. Hello, Mr. Racinos. Please be careful. You make me very nervous. Thank you so much, Mr. Racinos, and thank you, families. Congratulations, graduates. Thank you for celebrating that with us so we can capture this great event. Mr. Racinos will be shortly bounding down the stairs, and he will be walking around taking photos of this event as well. It is quite historic and quite exciting. And this is a good time to also take the opportunity to thank our incredible faculty for their unwavering commitment to our students and the school community here at Scholars. A very special thank you to the team and many, many staff members who put this event together. This was not an easy event to coordinate, and it's absolutely a beautiful day, and I think we are all enjoying it right now, but there was a lot of planning between the health and safety guidelines, the companies. Thank you to the companies that we're working with. DJs at Work has been doing a phenomenal job. Thank you to our custodial team and the team of teachers and our amazing principal, Ms. Vieira, who put all of this together. Please give them a round of applause. Thank you so much. I also need to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude for the families. You have provided your trust and support during the past year and a half. I can't thank you enough for your patience and flexibility during these incredibly challenging times. Thank you for supporting us and supporting your students so that we could get to this day and this special milestone. Thank you. Round of applause, please, for all of our amazing families. And of course, this is all about the graduates. Graduates, I am so proud of all of you. You have completed a very significant milestone, and it is an honor to be able to stand up here today as principal on behalf of the entire faculty and offer our hearty congratulations. But I also ask you to not forget that you didn't do it alone. Especially during times like this, we realize how much we need the support of those around us. So I want to encourage you, graduates, to take the opportunities to appreciate the people who supported you along the way. Say thank you to your families, to your teachers, to your friends. On this day when they celebrate you and your accomplishments, let them know that you recognize their contributions to your success. Right before I took over as principal, right before we learned that we were living through a global pandemic and that all schools, nationwide, worldwide, would be transitioning to remote learning. The word resilience was added to our school's vision and mission statement. I don't think we realized at the time how significant that word would be and how much we would need it. Resilience is the capacity to recover from difficulties or toughness. The addition of that word could not have come at a more appropriate time. Graduates, as you sit here today, realize you've been forced to learn far more about resilience than we ever intended during your years in middle school. Middle school is a significant time in your life and is a period of time between being a child or a teenager or young adult. Your middle school experience included unthinkable challenges and obstacles, a storm, if you will. Louisa May Alcott once said, "I am not afraid of storms, for I am learning to sail my ship." Well, you have learned to sail your ship through quite a storm, and you have each proved that you are resilient. Today, the sun is shining, and so many signs are showing us that that storm is finally, hopefully, passing. But the truth is, you will face more storms throughout your life. You've learned early, though, that you have the strength and resilience to sail your ship through any storm that may come your way. As you now get ready to move on to high school, I hope you take every advantage and every opportunity that comes your way. Remember that you are the one steering your ship. Put yourself out there and get involved, both inside and outside of the classroom. Make new friends, get to know your teachers, and participate as much as you can in extracurricular activities. High school's an amazing time, and I wish you all clear skies and calm seas as you steer your ship through high school. Graduates, congratulations to all of you. Whether you are staying here with us for high school or moving on to a new school, never forget, you are Scholar Strong and Rockaway Resilient. Congratulations, graduates.